Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to set up Shopify payments. Let's get started. To activate Shopify payments, head to settings and then payments. You'll be greeted with a screen which looks like the screenshot above. Hit the big screen button and a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your personal and business details such as name, address and phone number. Once that's done, you need to complete the setup by answering additional information. You don't have to fill this in right away, but when you want to come back to finish it, just head back into Shopify settings and then payments. And there should be a button with complete account setup to take you right back, or else you can do it right away. So this is a screenshot of first part of the questions you'll be asked. The first is your business structure. Choose according to your situation. The options you can have for business type are individual or sole trader, private limited company, non-profit, partnership, or LLP. Company's house registration number is a number that HMRC sends in a letter when you register a business at company's house. This is optional. Value added tax number is for businesses that have an annual turnover exceeding some money limit. Just choose no if you don't want to meet those requirements currently. Next up, after some more personal details, is product details. The options to choose from aren't always clear or applicable to what you're selling, but choose the one which fits the most. The description don't have to be long, just a short sentence or two. The customer billing statement is a series of letters which will appear on customers' bank statements. Just put your business name here. If your business name is too long, then abbreviate as the best you can. Now you have to manage Shopify payments. Go to settings and then payments. Then press the blue manage button next to the Shopify payment section. Now we will see that what accepted payment methods are available. Just by setting up Shopify payment alone, you will have to allow customer to pay with Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, Amex, Discover, etc. You can check and uncheck each payment type as you please at any time. Additional payment methods are two of the most common methods are PayPal and Amazon Pay. With both of these, you can just hit the activate button. Then it will redirect you to log in with PayPal/Amazon Pay and follow instructions from there. Now, if we talk about manual payment methods, this is an overlook setting inside of Shopify. For people who don't want to accept card payments or don't think your size of yet, then you can make use of manual payment method. This creates an extra payment option inside of Shopify checkout for customers to choose from. Then once they buy, they will get an instruction which you will input right here in settings. Like this screenshot. Options you can have here are bank deposit, money order, cash on delivery, and you can create another custom payment method, whatever suits you. So now we are done with how to set up payment in Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.